Hi, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to play a funk groove on Cajon. Welcome to another video at Cajon Master YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe yet, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to teach you how to play a funk groove on Cajon. It's a very nice groove to start, to feel how to play funk, and from this groove I hope you can develop a funk vocabulary for your journey. I suggest you to watch until the end of this video to get your free PDF and your free MP3 download. So, if you are ready, let's get started. We are going to build this groove step by step, starting with a 16-note pattern playing ghost notes, like this. Now we are going to build the first half of the groove. That goes with the bass tone on beat 1, followed by another bass tone on beat 1A of the bar. This time you play this bass tone with the left hand, and then the snare or slap tone on beat 2 of the bar. Let's repeat this pattern slow to internalize it. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Now we add two bass tones on beat 2 and on beat 3 of the bar, followed by snare on beat 4. Let's put all the groove together, and again, let's practice very slow to internalize the pattern. Now a bit faster. Now I'm going to play this groove with a backing track. I'm going to play some fills with the music to give you some ideas how it can sound in a musical context. that's it, the tutorial is finished. This is just an idea of a funk groove that you can always adapt and create your own groove. Don't forget to get your free PDF and MP3 download in the description below. If you want to learn how to play the cajon from the very beginning, you can sign up now for the Cajon Foundation course, available at cajonmaster.com. If you like this video, click thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow this project, Cajon Master, on Instagram and Facebook. This is very important that we can keep in touch not just on YouTube and also Instagram and Facebook. Leave your comment with suggestions about topics you want to see here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon in the next video. Bye!